To create a new voice experience for a driver and passenger, BMW and Amazon are working together because Alexa customer assistant platform is completely customizable. Automakers can personalize the user experience for the customer. As a new generation of the iDrive system was released, it continued to get smarter with the 2018 introduction of the online-based voice control system in what was the BMW 3 Series. It's supported by the remotely updatable BMW Operating System 7 vehicle software. The new edition of iDrive, which made its debut in the brand new iX electric SUV, is said to be designed to bridge the gap between analog and digital technologies, enabling high degrees of automation while cloud-based servers make use of real-time data. The Amazon event announcement was timed to the upcoming release of the Amazon Echo Auto second generation. It has a new adhesive mount and sleek design. 5 microphones added by Amazon into the device are intended to pick up requests over the music, climate control features, and vehicle noise.